Menopause and diabetes. For most women, menopause, the cessation of menstrual periods, is a normal, natural occurrence. The average age at menopause is 51, although any time after 40 is considered normal. Both the perimenopausal and postmenopausal periods may present additional challenges for women who have diabetes. For one thing, the hormonal fluctuations that are common to perimenopause can affect blood glucose levels. For another, some symptoms of menopause are the same as or easily confused with the symptoms of high or low blood glucose levels. In addition, both diabetes and menopause raise a woman's risk of osteoporosis, so women with diabetes must be proactive about taking steps to keep their bones strong. Lack of sleep, whether related to menopause, stress, or something else, can disrupt diabetes control. And menopause is often associated with weight gain, which can make blood glucose control more difficult. Is it menopause or my diabetes? One of the challenges for menopausal women who have diabetes is distinguishing between the symptoms of the two conditions. It is not uncommon to mistake menopause-related hot flashes or moodiness for symptoms of low blood glucose. Night sweats, hot flashes that occur at night, can interrupt sleep and lead to excessive daytime fatigue, which can also be mistaken for low blood glucose. Regular blood glucose monitoring can help women figure out whether low or high blood glucose levels may be causing their symptoms. Lifestyle changes are always the first step to help reduce the discomforts of menopause. The following changes can help make the menopausal transition easier. Regular physical activity or exercise can help increase energy levels, improve mood, and combat weight gain. Substitute whole grains and fresh fruits and vegetables for processed and refined foods, both to help control blood glucose levels. Consume more legumes, beans and peas, soya foods, and flaxseed. These foods contain phytoestrogens or chemicals found in plants that may act like estrogen in the body. Get adequate amounts of vitamins and minerals to keep their bones strong. Vitamin E and the B vitamins have also been suggested as beneficial for reducing menopausal symptoms. Use of herbal teas or supplements may be helpful for treating hot flashes and night sweats. If you are a smoker, stop smoking. A unique journey. Perhaps the most important thing a perimenopausal woman can do is to listen and to respect her body. Just as each person's diabetes requires an individualized plan for control, so is each woman's experience with menopause unique. Because it is common to experience some changes in blood glucose control as you go through menopause, it helps to maintain a regular schedule of blood glucose monitoring as well as good exercise and eating habits. Using relaxation techniques to reduce stress and trying to get adequate sleep can help too. Consult your medical provider if your symptoms are severe and are dramatically affecting your quality of life. The goal of balancing diabetes control and menopause symptoms should be to remain strong and vital so you can maximize the quality of your life.